In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll feel confident browsing, choosing a product you like, and completing a purchase smoothly and safely. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you're signed into your account. From the home screen, look for the Shop section. Depending on your app version and region, it might appear as a shopping bag icon or a tab labeled Shop along the bottom. Tap it to enter the shopping experience, where you'll see featured items, categories, and promotions curated for you. If you already know what you want, use the search bar at the top to type the product name or a keyword. If you're still exploring, scroll through the collections or categories until something catches your eye. When you find a specific product you prefer, tap it to open the product page. Take a moment here to review the photos, read the description, check sizing or material details, and look at ratings and reviews from other buyers. It's also helpful to glance at shipping information and estimated delivery time so you know what to expect. When you're ready to move forward, tap Buy Now. Before the system can proceed with your purchase, select the exact variation you need. This could be size, color, capacity, or any other option the seller offers. Choosing the right variation ensures you receive the correct item the first time. Next, provide your address. Enter the full name of the recipient, street details, city, postal code, and any apartment or unit number, along with any delivery notes that might help the courier locate you. Double-check everything for accuracy. Small typos in your address can cause delays or failed deliveries. After your address is set, choose your payment method. You may see options like credit or debit cards, digital wallets, or other regionally available methods. Pick the one you prefer and make sure the billing details are correct. If the app offers to save a method for faster checkout later, only enable that if you're on a trusted device. Before placing the order, review the order summary carefully. Confirm the product, variation, quantity, shipping fee, taxes if applicable, and the total price. If there's a promo or discount displayed, check that it's applied correctly. When everything looks right, tap Place Order to finalize your purchase. That's it. You've opened TikTok, gone to shop, selected a product, chosen your variations, entered your address, picked a payment method, and placed your order. Happy shopping and enjoy your new find.